In this video, I'll share 3 important things you need to know before investing in the Philippine stock market para hindi ka magkamali tulad sa nangyari sa akin dati. Kaya nag-start over ako ngayong 2026. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Number 1, you need a clear goal. Bago ka mag-invest, dapat malinaw kung para saan. Hindi pwede yung try lang or baka kumita. For example, in my case, ang goal ko ngayon, 1 million pesos yung portfolio ko by the end of 2026. And then long-term goal ko is 1 million per month in dividend income in mga 5 to 10 years. So kapag may goal ka, may direction ka. Hindi ka basta-basta natitinag kahit mababa ang market. Number 2, think long-term. Ito ang pinaka-importante. Stock market is not short-term. Commit to at least 5 years or more. Meaning, huwag ka muna mag-withdraw agad. Stay consistent. Invest at least once a month. Kahit green or red ang market. Tuloy-tuloy lang. This is where compounding works. At kapag kumita ka na, don't just spend it. Mag-reinvest ka, stop slice if needed, then compound again. Wealth is built through repetition plus patience. Number 3, don't do it alone. Isa sa biggest mistakes ng mga beginner is trying to figure everything out alone. That's what I did before, and honestly, ang daming trial and error. Pero malaking difference talaga when I joined the Truly Rich Club. Ito yung tinulong nila sa akin. Number 1, know which stocks to buy, when to sell, and most importantly, how to think long-term. Generational wealth ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, my friends. Hindi ka manghuhula, you're guided. Kung gusto mong matutong mag-invest sa Philippine stock market step by step, lalo na kung beginner ka, I highly recommend you join me sa mrfishvlogs.com or punta ka dyan sa link sa description or sa pin comments or sa profile ko. Let's build our portfolio together with discipline, strategy, and purpose. Like, share, subscribe, and comment mo dyan how kung gusto mong matutong kumita ng pera sa stock market. God bless. Blessed to be a blessing.